A massive seismic shift has hit Silicon Valley. OpenAI pulled the emergency brake on the largest planned model training run in human history. The official PR statement claimed their upcoming Astra model crossed critical cyber capability safety threshold, but industry insider know the real truth behind this dramatic pause. China's DeepSeek revolution has sent shock waves through the highest halls of America tech leadership. Sam Altman's safety narrative is merely a smokescreen hiding intense panic over open source dominance. Last week, when DeepSeek dropped their open source agent Harness, it shattered all GitHub repositories. Store report in less than 24 hours. Anthropic accidentally leaked their entire 55 megabyte code base. And what did Chinese engineers do within hours? They completely deconstructed and rebuilt it better. DeepSeek proved that closed API monopolies are officially extinct. And Agent Harness is the central neural engine connected AI models to external software tools. DeepSeek's new framework introduces a philosophy where every single component is a hot swappable plugin. Developers are no longer forced to pay out rigorous monthly fees to Western corporations. This is a total architectural liberation for every software builder on earth. Built upon spatial temporal composability research, the Cordis framework rendered traditional web packaging completely obsolete. Developers can now substitute entire agent loops with one single terminal command. In live stress testing, DeepSeek version 4 Pro built a full production-grade mobile app in under 30 minutes. Over 2 million tokens were processed for a total cost of less than $30. Every American chief executive officer is currently undergoing a massive strategic crisis. From complex three-dimensional Rubik's Cube logic to advanced mathematical reasoning, DeepSeek version 4 Pro outperformed legacy models without altering pre-training weights. They achieve world-class performance purely through post-training distillation. They created over 10 specialized master models in coding, logic, and mathematics, then distilled all intelligence into one single student checkpoint. This breakthrough technique has forever destroyed the necessity of multi-billion-dollar compute clusters. The revolutionary DSpark drafting mechanisms allows prediction of multiple tokens simultaneously, boosting generation speed by 78%. What was an academic paper 6 weeks ago is now a free open source tool running on developers' laptops worldwide under the liberal Massachusetts Institute of Technology license. Anyone can self-host and deploy without corporate permission. Proprietary API lock-in has been permanently shattered. Failing to monetize artificial intelligence agent right now is a massive financial mistake. Local businesses spend thousands of dollars monthly on manual administrative workflows. You can build and deploy autonomous DeepSeek agent systems for them and create a lucrative recurring agency. We have compiled an exclusive step-by-step implementation roadmap for our channel subscribers. Click the link in the description to claim your free execution package right now. Only 3,000 spots remain, so act immediately before registration closes. Liang Wenfeng, now richer and more influential than Sam Altman, holds an entirely unique philosophy. He strictly rejects the toxic 996 Chinese work culture Grand Prix. Researches 50% free exploration time. He firmly believes true intelligence emerges from unrestricted scientific curiosity rather than corporate greed. DeepSeek's core mission is driving intelligence costs down to zero for all humanity. Bloomberg data reveals American startups are massively pivoting to Chinese models to cut operating burn. While Anthropic charges $50 per million tokens, DeepSeek delivers superior intelligence at $3.95. Major enterprises have slashed AI operational expenses by over 90%. Overnight, Silicon Valley's artificial inflation bubble has officially popped. The future battle is not just about raw parameters, but energy grid dominance and cheap token manufacturing. China's multi-billion-dollar infrastructure strategy is turning the nation into the world's primary token factory. Will Western sanctions stop this momentum, or will open source intelligence prevail? Make sure to subscribe to AI Revolution, hit the bell notification icon, and share this video. Join the frontier of AI Revolution.